Next word now is how. And finally, we get to this character now. Whew. If you know some Chinese already, you might definitely, it's a bit contradictory, you might know this character already. It has a child and a woman in it, and it's important that we recognize that, so it's easier to remember once we've learned this character now. The idea is that this is a combination that is a good combination, like a woman and a child. A woman takes care of a child, and the character just means good. Good. So it's a very auspicious combination, a child and a woman, and that's how we can remember that this just means good. How. How can also mean like nice. So we can hear Anne using it here when she goes how.
How.
哎，你好啊，你的头发很好看呀，我喜欢啊，喜欢啊，喜欢啊。
好点了没？
好了吗？